This is the Wuben G5. It has been frozen in ice for 24 hours. Will it survive? I use this thing every day, I love it, and just for the record, I do hope it survives. But just before we get to the destruction, I'm on the Wuben website, and as you can see, it's listed as IP65 waterproof and cold resistant, and although they don't directly claim it can withstand 24-hour freezing, there is a photo of it here, encased in ice. So stick around to the end to see if it really can withstand the ice test. And if you want to have a look for yourself, or if you want to pick one of these up, I'll drop a link in the description below. Time to break it free and see if it survived. Well, that didn't work. It's on the time. There it is, nearly free. as you can see, the switch is frozen solid, so I still can't test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it inside, let it thaw out a bit, and then I'll test it for you guys. See if it survived. So now it's 2 days later and it's fully thawed out. And what you really want to know is, does it still work? Well, no. No, it does not. It's dead. Sorry, Ruben. But if you guys are watching, please do send me a replacement. I would still recommend this to all of you, but I would also recommend that you don't freeze it. Thank you for getting this far. Hit all the buttons, subscribe, and what do you think of the G5? Have you got one or are you going to get one? Let me know in the comments below.